Echeveria bluebird. It's basically the same one, but you see the different sizes. This one has been in my garden for about 2 years. Yep, so it's about 2 years old. Can't wait for it to grow into that. Isn't it pretty? It's gorgeous. Another Echeveria bluebird. And another bluebird. And I have a bunch more. And I have more over here. Another Echeveria bluebird. But this one is a Korean one. So it's all the way from Korea. So it would be called the red Echeveria bluebird. I never have one in my garden before, so I'm gonna wait and see how does it turn out, you know, once it's grown up. That chubby bluebird. Gorgeous. And every time when I repot, I water it right away. The reason why I didn't water this one right away, because I did it during the day just to show you guys how I repot all of my succulent. So I'm probably gonna wait until like late evening or afternoon, then I will water it. But yeah, I love bluebird, Echeveria bluebird. And here's another one. Oh, it's so pretty and gorgeous. Look at that. Here's another look for it. Ah, this looks like a lotus. I'm obsessed. Ooh. Echeveria colorata. Colorata. And here's a moonstone for all of you that like moonstone. And more Echeveria bluebird. Gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys something. And the baby fall off, so I just pop it in some soil. Oh, and another Echeveria bluebird. This one is for my friends. Lily and Cafe. And I have 9 chihuahuas. Yes, 9 chihuahuas. Look what they did. They dug up my Lolas. My poor Lolas. They dug it up, so I had to replant them. Embracata. Provonumberg. And I have another giant one. There's 3 in here, but I thought it didn't have enough room for the Provonumberg. So I pop it up in here. Look, we got babies. Oh, this one is pretty. Echeveria Violet Queen. Check out that color. Can you just die? I think I can. But this, I'm obsessed with it. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I post a lot of pictures and video about this, especially Echeveria bluebird. I'm obsessed with it. Yep, get yourself one at Home Depot. And if you're lucky, wait about 3 years or 2 years and yours can turn out to be like mine.